Hello there. Welcome to Easy English Challenge number 22. In this segment, we will be focusing on reading and listening. Now, let's start. Welcome to our reading and listening challenge. In this segment, you'll hear a short passage read aloud. As you listen, try to focus on understanding the main ideas, key details, and vocabulary. After listening, test your comprehension with a few questions or discuss what you learned with a friend. Ready to sharpen your English listening and reading skills? Let's get started. Today's title is From Fostered to Flourishing, Jamie's Story. Jamie had grown up in foster care, moving from place to place without a stable home. But one day, everything changed. A kind couple adopted him, offering him the love and security he had longed for. They supported his dreams, encouraged him to work hard, and reminded him daily that he was loved. For the first time, Jamie felt he belonged somewhere, and that feeling gave him strength. As Jamie grew older, he faced challenges in school and life, but his adoptive parents were always there to guide him. "Believe in yourself, Jamie," his dad would say. "Your past doesn't define you. What matters is what you do now." With their support, Jamie focused on his studies, setting goals for himself. The setbacks didn't discourage him, instead, they fueled his determination to make his parents proud. Years later, Jamie graduated with honors and landed a great job in his dream field. Looking back, he felt deeply grateful for his adoptive parents, who had shown him that love and hard work could change his life. He realized that success wasn't just about career achievements but about the love and resilience that had shaped his journey. Jamie's life story became a testament to the power of second chances and the strength of family bonds. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe and share so others could get the benefits as well. We have more videos coming up. Stay tuned.